Hi, Jason here from TGN. Alright, so welcome to TGN's YouTube channel. I'm Jason, and today we will be doing an unboxing for the G4-Doorbell. Alright, so this particular model that I have on hand is the EU version. So in the EU version, it's actually larger than the US version. Like I show you here, alright, on my right hand, okay, on my right is the US version of the doorbell, okay, which I will show you later. So this is the EU version. Okay, so this is what we will use for Asia and also in UK and also in Western Europe and Eastern Europe. Okay, the reason being is because the original US version comes only in 110 volts. Okay, for the one from EU, okay, it's meant to be used in 220 volts as where we are. Okay, so let me proceed to open up the unit itself and let's see what's inside. Okay, hang on. Let me cut it up gently. Okay, let's see what we have inside. It's quite heavy and quite big. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, so today's unboxing for the G4-Doorbell. All right, so itself, you will see there's the doorbell. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, and you will have some guides here. Alright, so basically this is the guide, and then this is the panel. Okay, this is the back panel, and there's even a leveler for you to make sure that the doorbell is straight. Okay, let's lift up and see what else is inside. Okay, alright, so there's an H. Okay, so this is the H installment. Okay, it's also included inside the US version. Okay. So that's there, okay, and there's some accessories, some screws, and also the pin put to reset the unit itself, okay. And besides that, okay, let me show you some other stuff. All right, so over here it has the connectors. All right, so these are the same connectors that you will also get it in the US version. All right, so over here there is another connector. Okay, there is a circuit breaker. Okay, so there's an additional add-on circuit breaker, okay, with the Ubiquiti logo here. All right, so that's the additional add-on. All right, and also there is a quick user guide. All right, so basically this is all the devices that you will see in the G4-Doorbell for the EU version. Okay, there will be an inclusive of an additional step down, I think, and then also the additional circuit breaker for you. All right, so we will be doing a in-depth video for the installation, okay, and we will definitely have a further update for this. All right, remember to click like if you like the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.